Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. What if you could create a professional video without a camera, without a mic, and without even showing your face? Yeah, this tool literally turns text into a talking human. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I tried something that honestly feels a bit futuristic. It's called Synthesia, and it's basically an all-in-one AI video platform where you can create videos using AI avatars that actually talk for you. No filming, no editing stress, just type and done. Let me show you how this actually works. So, from the homepage, Synthesia positions itself as a platform to create, localize, and publish videos at scale. And when I first saw it, I thought, okay, probably another AI tool. But then I got into the dashboard and it's actually super clean. Right away you get options like create a video from scratch, generate with AI, translate videos into different languages, even import PowerPoint slides and turn them into videos. That last one is kind of crazy. If you've ever tried making videos before, you know the pain. Setting up camera recording, multiple takes, editing everything together. It takes time. What Synthesia does is remove all of that. Instead of recording yourself, you just type your script, choose an avatar, and it generates the video for you. So it's perfect if you want clean, professional-looking videos without the whole production process. AI avatars. One of the coolest parts, the avatars. You can literally pick a person on screen and they'll deliver your script. And from what I saw, you can customize outfits, change backgrounds, adjust how they present. It even says avatars that take action, which basically means they feel more dynamic, not just standing there awkwardly. Video translation and dubbing. There's also a feature to translate your videos into different languages. So imagine making one video and then instantly turning it into multiple languages without re-recording. That's actually huge for scaling content. Templates and scenes inside the dashboard. There are a bunch of templates you can start with, and they're not boring. They look like real business or marketing videos. You can also add scenes, insert text, mix visuals. So it's not just avatar talking. You can actually build a full video flow. The workflow itself is super simple. You click Create a Video, then choose Template or Blank, then just start typing your script. And watching the AI turn that into a talking video, not gonna lie, that part feels kind of satisfying. At first, I expected it to feel a bit robotic, but it's actually smoother than I thought. Is it 100% like a real human? Not completely, but for most use cases, it looks clean, professional, and very usable, especially if you're not comfortable on camera. Alright, let's talk about pricing. Based on what I saw, there are 4 main plans. Basic, free, gives you limited credits and around 10 minutes of video per month starter. $18 per month, includes AI video assistant, dubbing, and more avatars, creator. $64 per month, most popular, adds personal avatars, branding, API access, and more video time, enterprise. Custom pricing. This one includes unlimited video, more avatars, and advanced features for teams. So yeah, there's a free option to try it out, which is nice. If I had to summarize the experience, you open the dashboard, pick a template, drop your script, choose an avatar, and within minutes, you've got a finished video. No camera, no stress. It's honestly one of those tools where the simplicity is the main selling point. So yeah, that's Synthesia. If you've ever wanted to create videos but didn't want to deal with filming, this is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments. Would you actually use AI avatars like this? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.